Well, you have a fancy pocket square, and now you need a fancy fold. Well, nothing too fancy. You need something that's simple enough to make the fabric sing. The winged peak fold will help you out. This baby produces a beautiful diamond shape in the crest of your pocket, and we couldn't think of anything more elegant to bring finesse to your attire. Now, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's jump in. Lay your pocket square face down in a diamond shape. Fold it in half from top to bottom so that 2 points meet. Take the top right point and fold it down to the center. Take the top left point and fold it down to the center. Take the right point and fold it just past the center line towards the left. Take the left point and fold it just past the center point towards the right. The pocket square should now look like a cone. Fold the bottom section up to the back. Adjust according to the length of your pocket. Place it in your jacket pocket. All right. That's how we do the winged peak fold. Just whip on that tux and head out for your morning coffee. Whoever said understated was in your vocabulary? For our full range of pocket squares, check out OTAA.com. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.